Hello, Jacqueline. Hello, Perry. This is Kyle Graves with the Rising Digital Marketing SEO. And I told you I was going to send you a free video here with some tips and tricks to increase your online presence. These are totally free for you to implement. If you would, after the end of this video and you would like to work with me, I sure would appreciate that. I would love to have you for a client for the long haul. But let's just take a look here at your website, which first of all, this is just an incredible graphic here. This might be the coolest. Whoever designed this CLAYBURN HVAC Inc. Graphic here is an artist. This is wonderful. So the website itself is actually very well made. There's just some things here that I would like to point out to you. This is free for you to use here. So the first thing is three things that I want to bring up to about that I want to implement here, and that's about your content, your backlinks, and your citations. So the first thing here is let's talk about your content here. So if we scroll down through the page here, it's very well made. Nice. Call today up at the top here. Great logo, number right here to call. That's great. But the thing is, if you notice, there's not very much content. And I actually went through your website and highlighted everything and put it into a Microsoft Word document just so you can see that your website here, where are the keywords? The keywords is okay. So the number of words here in your in this Microsoft Word document, the content that's on your front page here, it's only 357 words. So Google likes to see about 1,500 words in the front page. And so this gets the algorithms and this gets the internet working for you because it reads all of those words, and the key words are very important. And so here's some tips that I would recommend that you do. So you would, most of these words that need to be keywords here, CLAYBURN HVAC, for example, that needs to be bolded in bold. And let's look at one of your competitors to see what they're doing right and how you can beat them in your ranking. So let's see here. I've got no. Give me a second here. Okay, so here's Bud Anderson. So check out Bud Anderson's website here. It's pretty much the same as yours, except they have a little bit better menu, but overall it's pretty much the same. But I also highlighted every word that's on their front page, and I also put that on a Microsoft document. And they have double the words that you have. They have 696 words on their front page, and that's really not that much. And so realistically, it needs to be around 1,500. And if you implemented that, putting 1,500 words of content with more keywords that people are searching for, that you will rise dramatically in the ranking. Because here's Bud Anderson. They have the highest ranking HVAC company website in Northwest Arkansas. And here they only have 696 words. But that's still double yours. But if we made that to where it's 1,500 words, it's going to give us more room to put more keywords in the top page there. It's going to boost your ranking. Also, let me go back to your website again and show you another trick about keywords here. So another thing that Google reads is that they read pictures. And so not only do they read headers and bold keywords, but they also read pictures. So every picture, here's another trick. Every picture that you save onto your website, it should be a keyword. You save it under a keyword. So you'd save it under, HVAC Springdale, Arkansas, 1. And then the next one, HVAC Springdale, Arkansas 2. So that way it's reading these keywords. And so when people actually go in and type in a keyword search, HVAC Springdale, Arkansas, Google's going to automatically start working for you because you have more of these keywords in your website. So that's something that I would recommend for you to do, is go through every page of your website and put in more keyword searches, and saving your pictures as keywords, like HVAC Springdale, Arkansas. So that way Google will start working for you more. There's a website here that it's also free to use, that it is called SEMrush. Make sure that's showing up here for you. It's loading up here. Okay, so here's CLAYBURN here on SEMrush. So I typed in your website into this domain tool. It's free to use. It's called SEMrush. And it's not wanting to get me back out of that real quick. Sorry about that. So here it is. SEMrush, it's a free tool to use. CLAYBURN HVAC CR here. And right now it's giving you a score of 7, and it's saying that you only have 76 keywords on your site, and you have 108 backlinks. So the backlinks, that's not bad, but let's look at your competitor here. It's taking it a minute to load. So this is Bud Anderson. And so right now, Bud Anderson has over 1.7 thousand keywords that he's generating. You know, you had 76 keywords, he has 1,000 keywords, and he has over 1,000 backlinks. And so if you see here, even his traffic here, he's getting a lot more traffic than you, but it's still realistic that you can beat him by implementing these strategies that I'm showing you, specifically content and keywords. You know, the volume of searches is more than yours. And he's getting, you know, around 2,900 as far as the volume of people searching his site. But even though he has double the content of yours, he still only has like less than 700 words on his front page. You bump that up to 1,500, and over time you can catch up and surpass him. So with this one, this is back on your domain search here, that you have 76 keywords and only 118 backlinks, and he had over 1,000. So this is showing the organic traffic here that's for your site within the last few months. And the volume of searches that you're getting compared to his, where you're getting 20 searches a month, where he was getting 2,900. So I mean, even if you could get several hundred of searches a month, that would boost your clientele, and your phone would be ringing off the hook. Also, something else I wanted to touch base with you on, or that's involving links and citations here, is this is your Google Map listing here. So CLAYBURN HVAC, and so this is just a picture of your the video that you had on your website, and I would recommend you put your CLAYBURN, that really cool graphic with the fire and ice. That's one of the coolest logos I've ever seen. I would recommend you put that up here as your first picture that's popping up. And you can put 25, 30 photos in here. You only have 6 right now, and the same thing, the same strategy that I was telling you to do on your website is to make sure you save these pictures as keywords. So, HVAC Springdale, HVAC Fayetteville, HVAC Bentonville, CLAYBURN HVAC 1, 2, because you can't save it the exact same way. So, maybe put a number there at the end to if you're using the same keyword over and over and over again. You getting more and more keywords on your Google map listing and on to your content throughout your website is going to boost your rank. I mean, Google is kind of like a lake, so it's like, and every page that you have, all of your address, your citations, your content, your links, that's like lines in the water. And the more lines in the water that you have advertising your business, the more hits, bites you're going to get, more customers for you. One last thing I would like to talk about is your citations. So I typed in your citations are like directories, so similar to content and like keywords. It's showing your business throughout the internet that's showing up on Google. Now, directories like Yelp, Angie's List. There's dozens of these. You would want to go through and do an address business listing for like 40, 50 of these directories. And it's free to do. It's just time consuming. I did a search on a citation directory search for you in Bella Vista, Bentonville, Fayetteville, Rogers, and Springdale, and no results popped up for this location. And going through there and listing your business in all these directories is going to more lines in the water of getting Google to work with you along with these keywords. It's going to help your website raise up in the Google search listings, and people are going to organically, over time, over a period of months, people are going to find your website quicker, which means they'll contact you more organically. You're going to get a lot more clients. And let's go back here to this. So right now, on average, you're getting about 50, even for the last several months, you've been getting a little bit less than 56 website searches a month on your website here. And this can go back. This can be fixed fairly easily. Changing your keywords, adding more keywords with on your content of your website, bold those, also save pictures as a keyword as well, and then backlinks, which backlinks and citations similar to Angie's List, Yelp, Yellow Pages, have that link to your website from those directories, as well as Google Map listings, putting more links back to your website and keywords there for each one that you save. Make sure you save each keyword as a keyword. Save each picture as a keyword, because Google reads those pictures. Instead of it being like ping and a number, it's going to be HVAC, CLAYBURN HVAC 1, Springdale HVAC 1, Springdale HVAC 2, etc., etc. So these, I hope you gained something from this video. These are free tips and tricks that you are free to implement and use, and just these, and also YouTube, the power of YouTube. I'm making this YouTube video for you. Just this one video is going to get Google working for you with your name out there, because who's making YouTube videos? Not very many people. But guess who owns YouTube? That's right, Google owns YouTube. So this free video that I'm making for you is going to help you with the Google search and to help you get more traffic. But what I would like to do for you is to implement more lines in the water all across the internet. So over a period of a few months, 3 to 6 months, that it's going to build and build and build to where your keywords and your citations and links are going to start attracting more customers and getting you up in the Google rank here. So, like I said, feel free to use these free tips and tricks that I showed you today in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I would like to hear your feedback. Whether or not you would like to use my services or not, but I would like to hear what you thought of this presentation in this video, and I hope to hear back from you soon. My name is Kyle Graves with Rising Digital Marketing SEO. My phone number is 501-350-7683. I'll put that also in the email that I'm about to send you. I'm also going to put, your heading and information in the heading of the YouTube video there. So it's going to automatically start increasing more traffic to you through Google and the power of YouTube. But all right, thank you so much for listening. I hope to hear from you soon, and have a great day.